Hey guys, welcome to MakeMoney.com. If you live in the USA and want to start investing in the stock market but feel confused, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down stock market basics in the simplest way possible so you can understand everything without any hassle. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll share a secret tip that helps beginners grow their money fast.
Number 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where companies sell shares and people buy them. When you buy a share, you basically become a small owner of that company. Number 2. Famous stock exchanges in the USA. 1. NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. 2. NASDAQ, the hub for technology companies. Number 3. How to buy shares. You need a brokerage app. Popular ones include Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. Just create an account, add funds, and you're ready to start buying shares. Number 4. Risk and reward. Remember, higher returns come with higher risks. That's why beginners should start with blue-chip stocks or ETFs. Now just started. Start small. Even $50 to $100 is enough. And follow the rule of dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month, whether the market is up or down. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what topic you want next. Side hustles, trading, or investing.